Understanding, in real life, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, in real life. This phrase pops up in conversations all the time, and understanding it can really help you get to grips with everyday English. The phrase, in real life, often abbreviated as IRL, refers to experiences and interactions occurring in the physical world, as opposed to the virtual or fictional worlds. It's often used to distinguish between our online personas or scenarios in books and movies, and who we are or what happens when we step away from our screens and scripts. While it's hard to pinpoint the exact origin of the phrase, in real life, gained popularity as the internet and virtual worlds became more ingrained in daily life. It was a way to differentiate between these two realms. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used. She's very outgoing in real life, but quiet on her social media profiles. I've only seen them online. I've never met them in real life. This phrase can be used in various contexts. Whether you're talking about meeting someone, experiencing something, or discussing the authenticity of an event. The movie was exciting, but such events are rare in real life. You might know them from the game, but in real life, they're quite different. I hope this explanation helps you understand the phrase, in real life, better. It's a useful phrase that connects our online and offline worlds. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it will feel to use phrases like this in everyday conversation. Happy learning, and see you next time.